Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Better off, better.
Ang sarap, promise.
Bum,
Ta-da!
bum, bum.
Wow.
It literally makes it perfect every time.
Kacoolest. I'm sure ang sarap siguro dito ng lechon. Crispy pork,
Yeah.
Filipino version, remember that? Wow.
That's why I like lechon, because it tastes like bacon.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
Si for cool. Hello mga Kacoolest. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back to my channel, Coolest Teacher Diary. I've been living and teaching here in Thailand for
17 years.
17 years.
Like, share, subscribe.
That's right. So today, bablog po namin ang aming, I would say it's a very good buy.
It's a how-to. It's a very good buy, yes.
Yes. Air fryer. High five, Daddy. Good job. Good job for you. I-try nyo itong air fryer kasi grabe. Napakadali niyang gamitin tapos healthier pa.
Yeah.
Lahat pwede nyong gawin.
And it also saves you time.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Also oil. You don't
Yeah.
have to use
well,
oil.
that's the health part. Let's talk about the actual air fryer first. This is a Philips. I bought it here in Thailand. It's about 3,500 baht, 5,000 pesos. It's the smallest one, 0.08 liter. They have them, I think, probably 2 liter, 2.5, 3 liter, a couple of different sizes. They can be very expensive, but this one was the cheap one. Some are digital. This one just has 2 knobs. It tells you the temperature and the time. That's it. So you can put it at a certain temperature and then put the little timer on. It turns off automatically. So these are really easy to operate. Literally, you open it up, you put your stuff inside of it, close it back up, and it's cooking. If you're cooking something, you want to check it. Most of the time you have to be very careful. This, you just pop it open, take a look, close it back up, good to go.
Sa mga Kacoolest, sa mga Pilipino po na taga-Pilipinas, so comment below magkano ang air fryer dyan sa Pilipinas.
We bought the small one, so you can't cook a lot in it at one time. So what we did is we bought this little thing from Lazada. I don't know if we can say that or not. And it's just a little kit. It's an air fryer kit. And it comes with some pieces that you can really use.
How much?
It was 700 baht. Little hand gripper thing, okay? And I'll show you how to use that. And then it comes with these different size, like grills that fit inside the air fryer. So you have a little round one with the wider thing, little square one, thin stuff. You have shish kebab things, which is something else you can do in the air fryer, little shish kebab porks. These pads are, you can put these in when you put like French fries in it. They're perforated so the air circulates, but it kind of soaks up some of the grease if you're doing something that has grease in it, like meat or something like that. So it soaks up some of the meat. You have this for toast, because you can do toast in this as well.
Cool.
It comes with a brush for butter. It comes with this. Comes with this little muffin tray. It comes with a little soup bowl, like the little Asian soups. And then it has a little bake tray. It comes with this little rubber pad. And I have absolutely no idea what it's for. It's like honeycombed pad, and I don't know what it's for. So I'll have to figure that out. So let's turn on our machine. We got the timer going, we got the temperature right. You might want to let it warm up for a few minutes, but you don't have to. Now this is the really complicated part. Are you ready? Kacoolest? Okay, so what you do is you pull the tray out and then you just dump the fries. Ta-da! All of these air fryers have non-stick material inside, so you do not want to use metal of any kind. No forks, knives inside. If you scratch it, it will mess it up. Take the French fries out, take your spatula, just kind of shake them around a little bit. Make sure they're evenly stretched out. Slap them back in and wait a little bit longer. So I just put a little garlic pepper on my French fries. Perfect. I don't like a lot of salt. It's not good for you. All right, so let's give it a try. Ready?
Ang sarap, promise. Perfect.
Yeah.
The crispiness.
And inside they're tender.
Yes.
That makes really good French fries.
That's very true. That's very true, mga Kacoolest. No
oils.
No exaggeration.
Yeah, they're perfect.
Ang sarap.
Much more healthier than just simple French fries fried in an oil.
My favorite sauce.
And they're easy. If you're having a party and everybody eats the French fries, you just pop some more back in there. In 10 minutes, you got fresh, perfectly cooked fries. You don't have to watch it. The next thing we're gonna do is, again, just finger foods. Cheese sticks and gyoza, okay? And now, in order to do this, because it's not a big fryer, we're gonna use our little handy dandy thing that came in our tool. So what we do is we take out our fryer. So we will take the cheese sticks, spread them out as evenly as you can. Bobbity bobbity boo.
They just look super cute.
Ba, ba. And this thing is still hot, so I have to be careful I don't burn my fingers. And then you just set the tray on top. Boom. Piece of cake, right? And then slap it back in there. Put your timer on and wait 10 or 15 minutes. All right, so let's do the pot sticker of the gyoza.
It's good.
Oh, let's see if I can balance it. Can I balance it? Oh, boom. Panes. It actually smells really good.
Wow.
Look pretty good?
Yep.
It's perfectly cooked. Like, it's very soft on the inside. It smells pretty good. Careful. Is it cooked well?
Yeah. The bread is soft.
Yeah?
The dough is soft,
It's cooked through, though.
but it's cooked.
Not bad.
Oh, air fryer, you're the best. The
Yeah.
taste is just tastes like kids' pizza.
But the air fryer cooks the dough
Yep.
almost perfectly.
Yes.
Bacon. Nothing better than bacon. So you just put it on the little tray. You can't make a lot of it at one time. And so you just take it. It's easy. Pop it in there.
How many minutes?
It doesn't take very long, about 8 minutes.
And how hot?
I do it about 175. And then we just set it and forget it. Easy peasy. And we'll come back and eat it, because I love bacon.
Ta-da!
Bum, bum, bum.
Wow, look at that.
Literally perfectly cooked bacon every single time.
Say cheese.
See? It's perfect. It cooks it perfectly.
Hold on.
And the mesh is really easy to clean.
Yeah. Show them. Wow.
Everything's just right in there. You just pop this thing off. The inner tray comes out. You clean it. It takes you 2 minutes.
Last bite.
How come you get the big one?
Okay. Whatever, dude.
I get the big one. Boom.
Boom.
Last but certainly not least, we are going to make nummy num nums. We're gonna make chocolate brownies, fudge chocolate brownies to be exact. So we made fudge brownies. Boom, 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 boom. And we're gonna try, again, I have no idea how we've not tried this yet. So just pour a little bit of this in here.
Wow.
Boom. And then we'll throw some of these little cake muffin pan things and we'll see how this works. So, wasting chocolate. Connect it there. Okay, that doesn't work. All right, so I'm gonna have to just.
Parang bahay-bahayan mga Kacoolest kasi nga maliit yung nabili naming air fryer. So, tips sa mga interesado, buy bigger than this. What size is this again, honey?
0.08.
0.08. So, kung pamilya kayo, buy bigger than 0.08. 1.2 liters ata ang sumunod dito yon. Kasi kami okay lang kasi wala naman kaming mga anak. Dadalawa lang kami. Ang aming pinakaanak, yung aming dalawang pusa.
Okay, this isn't gonna work.
Why?
It's too. Don't touch it. It's hot. It doesn't fit.
Wow. The presentation is like professional baker. Tingnan niyo mga Kacoolest.
I am
Nailing it.
baker extraordinaire. Well, I wouldn't have done it this way normally. I would use a little siphon. Don't judge me. It's delicious. These are gonna bubble out. We don't care though. We're gonna take one of the little wax paper things, sit it down in here. Sit it right in there. Boom. Can you see it?
Yeah.
And then pop it in. We have a little extra. We'll do some more later. Again, on the brownies, I'm gonna go a little lower for a little longer because you want it to bake evenly through, and they're
This
thick.
what? 15, 20?
Probably about 15, 20 minutes, but I'm gonna put it on about 100 degrees or 110. I want it to bake all the way through. Okay, let's see. Let's test it one more time. Clean toothpick, we're ready. Oh, look at that.
Ooh,
Looks like a
Look at
mushroom.
look at the shape.
I know.
It's hot.
You know, the bottoms in the trays, I hate the fact when brownies get the bottoms burnt, but that's like really good, huh?
Yeah,
Tasty?
yeah. Really, really soft. The way the air fryer cooked it,
Yeah.
it's really good.
It's really good.
It's super soft and tender.
Wow.
Kacoolest.
I have to admit, really good.
Moist.
Oh yeah, it's really good. Kind of impressed. And they pop this little trays.
Yes.
They pop right out.
It is so clean, mga kacoolest. Look. It's just pop. No mess. And you just take it. Here you go. Oh, diba, Uncle? Oh! It's like taking mushroom out of the
Wow.
ground. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh. This is way cooler than I thought.
I am extremely impressed with the air fryer. I was not expecting it to cook stuff that well. And it,
Teacher Mari too, remember?
Yeah, yeah.
My Australian co-teacher, mga kacoolest.
and he cooks as well,
Yes,
right?
he would always talk about air fryer, the best thing, air fryer, and he was right. Shout out to you, Teacher Mari, if you're watching this. Super practical and easy to use,
easy to clean. Yeah.
And also,
Just
you
digging.
can make healthier food here because you don't have to use oil at all.
This is not healthy, but
No, I mean, if
Yeah.
you want to be on the healthier side of
Yeah.
food, you
Yeah.
can also make, because again, you can bake veggies here.
anything that you can fry in this. It's just going to be healthier, less oil.
Yeah, next time, I'm gonna try my longganisa here. From KK's Kitchen! Again, mga kules, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat. And again, kung may mga katanungan kayo, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe, Coolest Teacher Diary.
Hit like, share, subscribe. Blah,
See
blah,
you in the
blah.
next vlog, mga kakules!